Most local businesses are making a huge mistake with their Google business profile and they don't even realize it. They set up their Google profile, they add their business details, maybe even get a few reviews, but they completely ignore one of the biggest ranking factors, their categories. And here's the problem. If they don't optimize their categories correctly, Google doesn't know who to show your business to. That means when someone searches for what you do, your competitors are showing up instead of you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this in just a few minutes and how you can use a free tool that reveals the hidden categories your competitors are ranking for so you can add them to and start getting more leads from Google. Real quick, if we haven't met yet, my name's Jared, and for the past 20 years, I've been helping local business owners like you get more leads without wasting money on overpriced SEO agencies or expensive paid ads that don't work. I've helped over 1,700 local business owners rank higher, get more customers, and finally break free from the feast or famine cycle. And my work's been featured on places like Fox News, The Times, and Digital Journal. But here's the deal. I'm not just some guy who teaches marketing. I've built multiple local service businesses myself. I know the exact struggle you're dealing with because I've been in the trenches, figuring out what works and what doesn't. So if you're tired of feeling invisible on Google, stick with me because I'm about to show you a simple fix that can make a massive difference in how many people find your business online. Let's break this down. Google Business Profile uses categories to figure out what your business does and which searches to show it for. If you don't optimize them, you're literally handing free business to your competitors. Your primary category tells Google your main service. Your secondary categories gives you more ways to rank for different types of services. Here's an example. Let's say you're a plumber. If you choose plumber as your category, you might miss out ranking for drain cleaning, water heating repair, or emergency services. Or let's say you run a med spa. If you only choose med spa, but don't add laser hair removal service or skincare clinic, you're leaving money on the table. So if you've ever wondered why your competitors show up and you don't, this is probably why. But don't worry, I'm about to show you an easy way to find the exact categories your competitors are using and how you can add them to your profile today. All right, so let's jump into the tool that makes this whole process super simple. Go to Google Chrome and search for GMB Everywhere. This is a free Chrome extension and it lets you see the categories your competitors are using. Once you install it, just go over to your Google Business Profile and you can click on AI Tools from GMB Everywhere. This is going to open up a display here where you can select GMB Category Finder and it will open up a prompt for you to be able to search the categories for Google Business Profile. In this case, let's do dentist, and it will pull up related categories that you may or may not be missing. But these are going to be categories that fall in line as secondary categories for your Google Business Profile. Now, if I go back to the profile, go to edit, and I look at the categories here, you can see that they do have their primary category as dentist, but they only have 3 secondary categories. There's a lot of other potential that they're leaving on the table just because they did not know that those categories were available for them. So as I look at the other related categories, I may see other categories that are something that they should have in here. Dental clinic is one. Maybe oral surgeon, maybe not, depending on what they do there. They might have some of these teeth whitening services or a dental hygienist, maybe a periodontist, right? So they have multiple other categories that they could be using that aren't. So now with that listed, we need to copy those categories over and add them to the listing. So we'll click copy, come back over to the Google profile, add new category, and paste it there. We're going to put dental clinic in there. Go ahead and do that with all the other secondary categories that make sense to be listed here. Once you're done, click save, and you've now added those secondary categories, which will allow you to be found in more search in Google Profile. And here's a pro tip. Only add categories that actually make sense for your business. Don't just add random ones trying to show up everywhere. Google will catch that, and it won't help you. Last step, don't forget to add services under each category. Inside your profile, go to the services section here, and you can list out everything that you offer under those categories. For example, a roofer might add metal roof installation, shingle roof repair, and storm damage repair. Or a cleaning company might add move-in, move-out cleaning, deep cleaning, and office cleaning. Google scans these services when deciding what searches to show you for, so take a few minutes to fill in the services as well. All right, so now you know how to fix one of the biggest mistakes local businesses make on Google. But here's the thing, this is just one of the pieces to the puzzle. If you really want to blow past your competitors, you need a bigger strategy. And that's why I put together a free training that walks you through my attraction stacking framework. The 3-step system that uses Google Business Profile plus 2 other little known strategies to get more local leads fast. If you want to see how it works, click the link in the description to watch the free training now. And before I go, if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your business type, and I'll reply with some category suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe for more local marketing tips.